Hey guys, what's up? It's Pilar. Welcome back to the channel. Now in this video, I'm going to share with you other ways in which you can monetize on Pinterest. Now I recently shared in my previous video how I earned $624 with the Pinterest Creator Rewards program. Now that was my first month monetized. I'm now in my second month and right now I'm tracking for $950 with the pins that I recently submitted. Now there is a difference with the Pinterest Creators Fund program as well as the Pinterest Creator Rewards program, and then there are other ways in which you can make money on Pinterest. So I just kind of wanted to have a discussion with you right here so that you know what you can become eligible for and where you can make your money with Pinterest. All right, so let's look at monetizing with the Pinterest Creator Fund program. Now this is a program that is meant for Pinterest creators who have a business account. So if you don't already have that, then you should go ahead and set that up. Now for this fund, you do have to apply for it, and they will open up the application process every quarter. Yes, you did hear that correctly. I am a Bostonian and that was my accent coming out. So you will be able to apply every quarter. And in order to be able to be accepted into this program, you want to make sure that you have your personal profile set to where you are sharing with Pinterest your information as to what type of creator you are and if you are a creator in an underrepresented community, because that is what this program is all about. So some examples of underrepresented communities include LGBTQ creators, women-owned businesses, as well as people with varying disabilities. So if you fall under this umbrella, then this fund may very well interest you. Now, currently the application process is closed, but again, they do open up quarterly. And in order to stay up to date as to when the next application opens up, then make sure to sign up to the creator newsletter. There they will inform you by email. Now, another thing to note is that this program is currently only open to creators in the US, but Pinterest is saying that later on in 2022, they will open it up to underrepresented communities in Brazil as well as the UK. So that is very exciting as they continue to expand this program. So when the Pinterest application process opens up again for the Creator Fund, they will be looking for niche specific creators. So for example, in this last cycle, they were inviting fashion and beauty creators to apply to the program, and they've already given us a heads up as to who they will be inviting to the next cycle. They are looking for food and wellness and health people. So if you are a creator in that niche, then this is something to look forward to. If you do get accepted into the program, you will be in a 5-week-long cycle. During this time frame, you're going to get specialized Pinterest trainings where they're going to share with you how to create inspiring and engaging Pinterest idea pins so that you can get more reach on the platform and gain more followers and get more brand awareness essentially to your company and your product. You're also going to have access to industry expert insights with some of their brand sponsorship companies, and you're also going to have access to brand sponsorship deals, which is pretty darn exciting. Now, here's the most exciting part of the program. You will receive $25,000 in the form of cash grants, ad credits, as well as an equipment stipend to help grow your business on Pinterest. Now, past graduates have experienced on average 60% increase of followers after completing the program. So there are a lot of reasons for you to apply to the Pinterest Creator Fund program. Now, another way to monetize on Pinterest is to get an invite into the Pinterest Creator Rewards program. So this is a program that I am currently in, and last month I earned $624, and this month I'm on track to earning $950 with the Pinterest Creator program. Now, you will see on your screen right now the eligibility requirements. So if you fit the criteria, then you may very well get an invite. Now, this is the way that I did it. I actually had no idea about the program. I simply started creating engaging and inspiring Pinterest idea pins, and within a couple of weeks, I received an invite from Pinterest to the program. Now, the way the program works is you get monthly challenges. Now, if you meet the goals of each of those challenges, you will receive the award amount. Now, this is a $20 million fund, and this is a program that I think more creators on Pinterest have a better chance of getting into than the Pinterest Creator Fund program. If you want to learn more about the Pinterest Creator Rewards program, then I share with you my personal experience, everything I know about it in this video right here. You'll get to see exactly what I do to create inspiring and engaging pins that earn me more money with the program. So definitely check it out. I'll also link it down below in the YouTube descriptions. And a third way to monetize on Pinterest is to pin affiliate links directly to the site using idea pins. Now, this is a new feature called shoppable tags. Not everyone will have access to this, but if you do have access to it, then you are one of the lucky few that can do Pinterest affiliate marketing without a blog and with Pinterest's consent. So I just completed a detailed tutorial for you on my blog, loudmoneymoves.com. You'll be able to see how to use this new feature, and I use an example with the Amazon Associates program, but I show you step by step how to use the idea pin and how to use the secret product tagging sticker to start making money on Pinterest with affiliate marketing. I'll post the link down below underneath this YouTube video. Now, please do me a quick favor. If you've enjoyed this video, hit that like button, as well as comment down below if you have any questions, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.